In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Harry Potter multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. LEGO Harry Potter, much like all of the other LEGO titles in the franchise, features full co-op gameplay. So you will be able to go through the entirety of the story mode alongside someone else. The only requirement is an additional controller connected to whichever platform you are playing LEGO Harry Potter on. So regardless if you are playing on PC or consoles, just go ahead and connect an additional controller. Once the controller has been detected, if you look at the top right corner of the screen when you load into the game, you should see an indicator telling you to press any button on the additional controller. And as you might expect, immediately upon pressing any button, the secondary player is going to load in. So both of you will be able to share the same screen to play together. Essentially, it's always going to be couch co-op or split screen co-op, however you would like to call it, and both of you will be able to control your own character, collect the resources, and play through the entirety of the story mode. Keep in mind that once again, much like all of the other LEGO titles in the franchise, it only features co-op through local play. So you will only be able to do this if you connect an additional controller to the same platform. These games do not feature online multiplayer, even though you have workarounds that allow you to do online multiplayer, such as using remote play if you are playing through Steam on PC. Usually these are going to be, like I said, workarounds, and officially the games don't have this function. So if you are playing something like on a console, you will not be able to do online. You can only do it by connecting an additional controller and then pressing the respective button displayed. You just have to load into the game alone first and then press the button on the secondary controller, and split screen will load up immediately for you to play LEGO Harry Potter. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Harry Potter multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.